Today we have a problem, and the problem is we need to find all the functions such that f of x minus y is equal to f of x multiplied by f of y minus f of y plus 1 for all real numbers x and y. Now, first of all, I'm going to let my equation is equal to p of xy. We will use special substitutions to determine all possible functions that we have. Now, I'm going to substitute y is equal to 0 into p of xy. When I do that, I'm going to get f of x is equal to f of x multiplied by f of 0 minus f of 0 plus 1. Now I can rearrange these terms. When I do that, I'm going to get f of x into 1 minus f of 0 is equal to 1 minus f of 0. When we further simplify this, we are going to get 1 minus f of 0 into f of x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this expression, there will be two possibilities: f of 0 is equal to 1 or f of x is equal to 1 for all x. The constant function f of x is equal to 1 is already a solution. Now we are going to check f of 0 is equal to 1. So I'm going to substitute x is equal to 0 into p of xy. When I substitute, I'm going to get f of minus y is equal to f of 0 into f of y minus f of y plus 1. By using f of 0 is equal to 1, we are going to get f of minus y is equal to f of y minus f of y plus 1. This means we have f of minus y is equal to 1. Now replace y by minus x. When we do that, we are going to get f of x is equal to 1 for all value of the x. Hence, the only possible function is f of x is equal to 1. Now we are going to check the functional equation. So I'm going to substitute f of x minus y is equal to 1. When I do that, on the right side, I'm going to get f of x into f of y minus f of y plus 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 1. As both sides are equal, this means we have only one solution, and that is f of x is equal to 1 for all value of the x. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.